Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to import contacts into Zoho CRM. This is a quick way to bring your existing data into the platform. So let's get started. The first step is to prepare your contacts file. Ensure your contacts file is in CSV format and the columns match the field in Zoho CRM. Example, the name, the email, and the phone. Remove any duplicates or irrelevant entries. I'll show you what a CSV file look like. This is an example of a CSV file. As you can see, it says the first name, the last name, the phone number, the email address, city, etc. Now for the second step is to import the file into Zoho CRM. First of all, you have to log into Zoho CRM, and to do that, just go to your web browser and search for Zoho CRM and click on the website that appears in the results right here. After the website appears, just enter your account credentials or create a new account if needed. Now back to the CRM dashboard. Select contacts from the top here, right here, and go to actions. No, click on, no, I'm sorry. Click on this drop down menu here and select import contacts. From here, select from a file and browse. Look for the folder you saved the CSV file in it. Let's look for the context example. And now the file is uploaded successfully. And Zoho will guide you through mapping the file's columns to the corresponding field in CRM. After that, click on Next and click again on Next. Next again. You should fill out the fields and click on Finish. And just like you see, the contacts imports has been scheduled. Now the third step is to review and confirm the import. Review the mapped fields to ensure accuracy and click on import. Zoho will process the file and display a confirmation once the contacts are successfully added. Just like this one here. You can see the notification about that the context is successfully added to our CRM. And there you have it. Your contacts are now in Zoho CRM, ready for action. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have further more questions about this topic, feel free to leave a comment below the video and we'll be happy to answer it. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.